Hello everyone, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a short video on pie charts. So let's quickly understand a question based on it. Okay, we can see two pie charts have been given. One is showing domestic and another is showing international. The percentage share of major cargo carriers in India in 1996. Okay, based on these charts, we need to answer the question. The question says this chart has been given for 1996, right? And in the question it is written, in the next year, if LB and Air Freight decide to merge and have the same percentage share as Blue Dart, okay, what will be the combined share of rupees 80 crore domestic market if the share in rupees crore of others remains the same as previous years? Okay, so what does this question says? See, this question is basically based on this domestic chart, right? This is domestic pie chart. It is based on this. So we'll just concern about this chart, and we'll just see that how the things are given. It has been given here in 1996. The total revenue is 70 crore, right? So in the question they are saying the next year the total revenue will be rupees 80 crore of domestic. So in the next year it will become 80 crore, right? 80 crore it will become. Okay, and they are saying that these Air Freight and LB are merging. I mean, these two companies will merge, so their revenue will also merge, right? Which will be same percentage share as Blue Dart. Okay, it means that the revenue of combined revenue of Air Freight and LB will be equivalent to revenue of Blue Dart. When what we are talking about the next year, not this year. Okay, and what will happen if the share in rupees crore of the others remains the same as the previous year? Okay, so what they are saying, and the others share in rupees crore will remain as same. Okay, so here see, they are not they are saying that the share of others will remains the same in rupees crore. It means first we need to find out 35% of 70 crore is how much. So 35% of 70 crore is how much? 35% is 30% plus 5%, right? That will be equivalent to 7 into 3, 21 plus 3.5, that is coming out to be 24.5 crore. Okay, so it means that domestic in domestic total turnover, the others turnover is 24.5 crore, which will remain the same the next year as well. Okay, which will remain, because it is given in some question that if the share of in rupees crore of the others remains the same as the previous year. I mean, this year the share is 4.5 crore, so next year also it will remain the same. Okay, now what will happen next year? Next year this 70 crore will become 80 crore, but the share of the price that revenue of others will remains the same. Okay, it means the left out revenue. Okay, so we'll just understand it. See, now this became let's talk about the next year. It became 80 crore, and out of 80 crore 24.5 crore is others, right? Because it is same as the previous years if we are talking about 1997, right? And what has been given, that the percentage share of this Air Freight plus LB is same as this thing. Okay, if the percentage is same for these two values, so these two values will be equal. That is correct. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to tell that what will be the combined share of the 80 crore out of total 80 crore. What will be the combined share of this Air Freight and LB, which will be same as Blue Dart. Okay, so what we need to do, first we need to see that how much revenue is left out of this total value we have for domestic is 80 crore, right? Okay, and out of this 80 crore, how much is the revenue of others? It is 24.5 crore. So we will subtract 25.4 crore from 80 crore. So what we will get? We will get 55.5 crore. Okay, 55.5 crore is the revenue which is left, which must be the revenue of Blue Dart and Air Freight and LB together. Okay, and we know that Air Freight and LB together is same as Blue Dart. So we can, what we can do, we can divide this amount into two parts and give one part to Blue Dart and other part to LB and Air Freight together. So that percentage will become same. So 55.5 if divided by 2, how much it will become? It will become 27.75, right? This will be the amount, 27.75 crore. Okay, so what does this mean? It means that 27.5 crore is the combined, 27.5 crore is the combined this revenue of these two, Air Freight plus LB, that is 27.5 crore, right? And Blue Dart's alone is 27.5 crore, as it is given in question that the revenue, the percentage share of Blue Dart is same as Air Freight and LB together in the next year. Okay, so what we need to answer? We need to answer what will be the combined revenue of LB and Air Freight. That is coming out to be 27.75. Option B is correct. Okay, so this is pretty simple question. What you need to take care, you just need to take care the word by word what has been given in the question, so we can easily solve it. Okay, there are direct question. I mean, most of the question of pie charts are based on percentages only, so you should, I mean, first cover the percentage questions and all the concept videos of percentages, so that you will learn, your base will be very strong to understand this question, so you'll understand quickly these questions. Okay, otherwise we have already covered in detail this question as well, right? Thank you.